Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's MAKIA FOREX. We're doing an analysis for Gbpusd. We can clearly see that all the way from December 14, 2023 up to now we're in a consolidation period. You can clearly see that Gbpusd is actually in the consolidation zone. So this is a high, this is a low. So price is kind of like ranging between these two prices. This is the 4-hour time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, you actually see what I'm talking about, but in the 4-hour time frame it's very clear, so I don't think I have to go to the daily time frame. So Gbpusd is actually in the consolidation area right now. We're seeing that it's in a rising channel, so we can see that price is trying to rise. We can see that this trend line is very active. You can see what happens here. There's the first point, second point, third point, and also you can see that price is likely going to go back up to this area. So you can see that price will go up to this particular area. I think you'll likely want to go and reach this area before we see if we'll be able to break this. We'll see if we'll be able to break this range. So what do we think about Gbpusd? Gbpusd is likely going to be bullish this week if we're following what is happening right now, because look at these candlestick patterns. We can see that we have a trend line which is very active, because when price fell to this particular trend line, it's also respecting the trend line. This is a doji candle, and we may likely see this candle close bullish. So I'm thinking that Gbpusd in the 4-hour time frame shows us that it will likely go to the bullish direction. Now let's go to the 1-hour time frame for clearer entries. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see what happened pretty much. You can clearly see this action of the trend line, how it's being respected as a support area, because each time price bounces to the trend line, we are seeing candlestick patterns. There's a doji candlestick pattern here. We can see another engulfing candlestick pattern here. Also we can see a couple of rejection candles letting us know that price is still going to the bullish direction. So I believe that Gbpusd is going to be bullish this week, or let's say on Monday or Tuesday. It will likely want to hit this particular high, like this high or this high, before we can see what happens next. Now in the 15 minutes time frame, we can clearly see the same stuff, because here we have clearer entries. Look at also look at the RSI. We can see that it is bouncing at the 30 level to let us know that price is actually oversold, so it's trying to go back to its bullish direction. It may not be a very good trend line, but if you put a trend line from this area all the way to this area, you will see that Gbpusd has broken the trend line. And if you want to actually put another trend line from this area all to this area, we can see that Gbpusd is still moving in a bullish direction. So let's hope to see what happens. I'm likely gonna see it, move up, bounce back, move up, bounce back, all the way to this area, because this is another area of action. For those who want to take a trade, I think I'll be looking for a buy entry at this area. I'll buy from here. If it bounces back, I'll buy from here. If I see good price action, and I'll put my first take profit at this area, second take profit at this particular area, my stop loss just below here. So I think I'm going for a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that's what I think about Gbpusd today. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, like this video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.